All right, today's burgers are from HelloFresh. They're the griddled onion cheeseburgers.
I love it every time they send us a hamburger option. It's like they include their own seasonings in there and they're just really good every time.
This is what it's supposed to look like. It looks like we're gonna have some griddled onions and a special sauce.
And a side of homemade French fries. Okay, let's see how close I can get it to look
Like this.
You guys, we love partnering with HelloFresh because they have an ever-changing menu. It's always good, it's super easy and convenient.
We get to change things up with things we wouldn't normally make.
It saves us tons of time from going to the grocery store, and it's fast. They're designed to be made in 30 minutes or less.
Okay, they're sizzling. Ash, I've prepared you a meal.
Thank you.
How is it?
Feels so good.